Let's face it, the word recession is on the tip of everybody's tongue right now as we see the state of the Australian economy. And unfortunately, it's going to get a lot worse. Millions of people are currently unemployed. We've got states in lockdowns due to health concerns, and the ability to have more income has never ever been more important. But the term recession often sends people into a nervous spin where they're concerned and depressed. And let's face it, if you watch the news right now, that's more than understandable. Yet so few people understand that in recessions, there have literally been some of the biggest businesses and biggest fortunes made. Now, you may not have a goal of being a billionaire, but getting started and becoming a millionaire is definitely possible during these times. In fact, it's probably more likely because whilst most people are nervous, it creates even bigger opportunities for those people that have got the skills. What am I talking about here? Well, you've probably heard of Warren Buffett. You may have heard of Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan. You possibly heard of Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart. And these people all made their fortune during a recession. Think about some of the biggest household names: IBM, Hewlett-Packard, Columbia Sportswear, Walmart, Marriott Hotels, all founded in the middle of a recession. So a recession can be something to be scared of, or it can be an opportunity. But how do you unlock it? How do you see the glass half full or half open? And to do that, you need to understand the opportunity code. My name is Andrew Baxter. I'm the CEO and founder of Australian Investment Education. I've already been a professional investor for almost 30 years. And I've also spent the last 20 years of my life helping everyday people, perhaps like you, be able to master this code and turn on a strategy that we call cash flow on demand. Let's face it, it's never been more important for everyday people like you and I to either have a side hustle and more income coming in the door, or if you're one of those millions of people out there that are unfortunate enough to have been either laid off or retrenched, having an opportunity that doesn't involve a very, very bleak job market for you to earn more cash has never been more important. One thing we all have right now is the potential to have more time, and this strategy works very, very well. You can work from home. It's not time consuming, but it does require a set of skills to unlock that opportunity code. I'd love the opportunity to teach these to you in a live, paint-by-numbers approach. We call our Cash Flow on Demand live workshop, and it's very, very simple to get involved. Hit the button below, register. We'll spend an hour together, and I'll share with you exactly how this strategy works. And if you're someone that's looking to generate regular income, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a week, it is possible to do using our strategy. It's also a low-risk strategy because we'll teach you exactly how pros like me tilt the odds in our favor by using smart strategy to manage risk. Might sound a lot to take on board. That's why I'm going to break it down for you in an ABC paint-by-numbers format that literally anybody can follow. All you need to do, hit the button below and register, and provided you qualify, we'll work through a process that can see you sitting in the box seat to have your own cash flow on demand and, most importantly, be recession-proof. And let's face it, it's never been more important to have that ability to have that extra income coming in as the world outside continues to crumble. Hit the button below right now, and I'll look forward to hosting you on that broadcast.